It's Healthcare Week here on Euronews, and in this report we're going to look at some of the innovations and technologies which have been accelerated by the pandemic. Number one is everywhere you look in public places, the face mask. At the start of the pandemic there weren't enough. Now they're everywhere. Given that these have become so ubiquitous, there's inevitably a bit of competition. This initially came out in 2015 as a high-tech, high-end anti-pollution mask. Given that it filters out almost everything, including the COVID-19 virus, sales have exploded.
We managed a 700% increase. We multiplied our production by 7 in 2020. But of course, demand was so high that even then we couldn't meet all of it.
The other big seller has been cleaning products. But what if key touchpoints could clean themselves? That's what a Swiss startup called Clean Motion has created with a self-cleaning door handle.
You have a reservoir with disinfectant, which irrigates a disinfecting ring right here. And after the user engages the handle, the ring swipes back and forth with disinfectant.
The lockdowns have also kept many people confined at home and thinking about their health, which means they've started working out in their living rooms. It's meant a boost for Italian exercise equipment manufacturer Technogym, who've actually seen a rise in sales to physiotherapists who are helping people who've injured themselves.
The fact that a lot of people do exercise at home improvising has created a lot of accidents, and then they have to go to the physiotherapist.
Another company whose business is quite literally taking off, partially because of the coronavirus restrictions, is Irish drone delivery company Manna. They will bring prescription drugs to your garden using a big version of one of these.
They're clean, so there's no human contact with drones, and we pass the product under an ultraviolet light before it gets loaded on the aircraft. And they're safer. They also don't ask for tips.
You can read more about the innovations in this programme and how we see healthcare evolving over the next decade on Euronews.com.